That's that's the second road, and alleyway come. Here is the Grand Bella Hotel. I always wanted to stay this hotel, but never had chance. Finally, today I made here. I'm gonna stay 3 days. The reason I always wanted to stay is this is an Indian friendly hotel. What I mean by that is probably most of the guests in here are from Indian origin, and it's a Indian friendly hotel, so that's probably why. And they have a separate breakfast area for where it serves Indian food. So it will be interesting to see what kind of breakfast food tomorrow, because my first day I'll check tomorrow what kind of food actually they serve. And the other reason I wanted to stay here is they got a big swimming pool and sliding. I'm not a big fan of swimming pool, but this looked very interesting so I'm gonna try the swimming pool as well sometimes today. So it's a big property actually. They do have two hotels in here. One is Grand Bella and one is Bella Express, sorry. So let's check the hotel I'm staying today, which is Grand Bella, and this is Indian friendly hotel. They have 3 buildings. I'm not originally from India, but I always wanted to see why so many Indians lives in here. Must be the customer service is good and the staffs are friendly towards to Indians. So let's check. Here's the reception area. Moscow, Seoul, New Delhi, Sydney. So it looks like people from Russia, Korea, Australia, which I am from, lives here. And that's Taj Mahal restaurant, from my understanding. This is the Indian friendly one. No food drink allowed outside this area. Okay, start from 6 to 10. And there's another one. This is more for usual customers. So they have free drinks if you're thirsty. There you go. Sitting area, kids area, kids can play. I arrived 12 midday today, and they gave me straight away the room key, which is good. But only problem is checkout time is 10 a.m. usually 12 p.m. or midday checkout time. So this is disabled friendly ramp, which is pretty good. And the swimming pool is the coolest area. It's nice, big. So that's building 3. The building 2 where I'm staying, and the reception is the building 1. A lot of sittings, a lot of bed, and the water looks nice and clean. They have bar, mini bar. Let's check the pool. See that sliding? Kids will love it. If you have kids, this looks like a kid-friendly hotel too. So if you have a kids, let's go through this bridge. I'm not sure. Oh, there's a smaller one area where kids can swim while adults swim in the main area, which is pretty good. So also you can sit here and enjoy the view. Let's see, no bottle and glass allowed. Okay, so you can bring the beer can, but not beer bottle. Quite swimming, respect others. So let's check. Please wear the right swimming suit every time using the pool. The right swimming suit is this. If you want to buy a swimsuit, contact the pool bar. Short pants or improper shirts are not allowed to the swim. So that's a kids area, which is pretty good. So this is Indian and also kids friendly. So a lot of Indian family have a kids. You can come and stay. It's not expensive, and looks like a. There's a. Not sure. There's a gym. Small gym. It's not open, so. Oh, thank you. Let's review the gym. Small, but if you're not press the band, what do you call these things? Dumbbell, I think. Do running. Like people who comes Pattaya usually do a lot of walking, because a lot of places you go to beach walk, you go walk to beach road, or if you go to walking street, that's walking as well. So exercise already happened without even you know. Really don't need a gym, but if you go in the pool, if you have a few laps, you burn a lot of calories. So eat and burn. There you go. Kids area, kids to play. Oh, a lot of toys in here. Garden. So bring your beer, cold one. I like Chang. Try Chang beer, it's nice, huh? Sit and swim. That's actually pretty good. I like this swimming pool. I stayed Golden Sea Pattaya swimming pool wasn't very nice, but this one is actually, I'll get in. Grand Villa Hotel has domes as a dormitory as well. So if you're in a budget and want to live in a dormitory, there is options as well. So these are the dormitory, it looks like. And they got a big TV, which is pretty good. I'm not sure how much, but there's options. This is building 2 sitting area. No aircon, pretty hot. Now let's review the room. So I'm in building 2 and the room number I got is 2501. So you open the room. Okay, this is my room, the corner one. Let's start with the bathroom. Bathroom is nice and clean. The bathroom is nice and clean. But you get the usual soap. And if you need a brush, cotton bud, toothpaste brush, you need to pick it up from reception area. So you ask them, they'll give it to you. As usual, get a couple of towels. Oh, no rain shower, but they have handheld shower things. And what is this for? This is for shampoo and bath together. That's very weird. Usually shampoo and conditioner can be combined, not the shampoo and bath soap. So it's not bad. No glass, it's got a curtain in here, which is not bad. Alright, so simple, but it's okay. So you got locker, couple of umbrella, and few, four of them hanger. You can hang your clothes. So you have a space here. You can keep your bag. What else? Oh, the microwave. Interesting. Usually, you don't see microwave in unless if you live in a apartment. Kettle for hot water. Nice big Toshiba fridge. It reminds me that our first fridge when we bought it was a Toshiba too. Was back in long time ago. Good to see. Toshiba is a big fridge. You get two complimentary water bottle. And it's actually big one. You can keep your ice. You can buy ice from 7-Eleven, Tops Deli. If you go Tops Deli at Central Mall, Festival Mall, they do have 20 baht ice, which is clear scholarship ice. If you drink whiskey, scotch, or certain things, you can buy from there. You cannot buy those ice in normal Tops Deli on like what do you call 24/7 shop. It's have to be go in Central Mall, ground floor, big Tops Deli grocery shop. You can find there. So bed is pretty big. So two single bed they combined. Bed sheet is nice and clean, which I like. So you get two lamp charging port in here, which is very good. The last hotel, the Golden Sea Pattaya stayed, they didn't have really charging port much. In here I can see a lot. So you can keep your luggage in here, which I kept mine. And you get complimentary coffee, sugar, and Dilma Ceylon tea. Cup, IKEA. You get hair dryer, TV. I don't know. TV is like 34-inch. I'm not sure they make that small TV anymore, but I guess two hand towel, two normal towel. There's a telephone if you need to get in touch with the reception area, or if you need anything. And they have more charging port in here too, but no USB. It's just normal charging port. So if you come to Thailand, make sure you bring one of those. One fit in three. That's a 3-port actually. See how? Yeah. Or you can buy in here 7-Eleven. You have a sitting table, so you can, if you want to eat something, you can a big Daikin aircon. It's actually pretty big. Room is actually pretty big. I actually like it nice and clean. I thought I read a lot of review, and but my impression is pretty good so far. And you have another sitting chair, and you got a big mirror actually in there. See, you got a big mirror. So painting, not painting. It's painting. Let's check the balcony. Balcony, you can keep your clothes. And sitting area, you can dry your clothes on this as well. If you wash your clothes, you can dry here. And the room, I got not much view, but actually nice to have a balcony, which is pretty good. I like it. So afternoon, you can sit and drink. Actually, I kind of, if you open full curtain, it's actually nice view from your bed. I actually quite like this hotel. I will review the breakfast tomorrow morning, and obviously I'll include what they call swimming pool and the other general area. So that's pretty much the room review. Grand Villa Hotel is in Pattaya, so it's second road, or you can also come from Pattaya Central Road. You have both access. Quick shortcut to second road. Next to Pattaya Hospital, there's a alleyway. You can come up to the hotel, and if you want to access to second road, you can do that, or you can go to there's another hotel next to it, Bella Express. I think this is much better than Bella Express. If you increase your budget a little bit, this is much better.